If you want to be an advocate for the environment, make an impact on the world around you and make a meaningful contribution, then a career in the environmental sciences is just for you. Green careers are careers that have a strong focus on promoting and protecting the environment. These perhaps are considered the more traditional environmental science and management careers, perhaps park rangers, policy officers and sustainability advisors. But we're now seeing much more of a focus on greening of the economy. What do we mean by this? The greening of the economy refers to different types of roles in perhaps non-traditional areas, and these roles will focus on environmental, social and governance aspects of corporations. Over the next 5 years in Australia, the federal government lists the job prospects for environmental managers as strong. These roles will be found in such areas as manufacturing, public administration and safety, and also in the waste industry. The growing and greening economy that we're seeing around us calls for graduates of environmental science and management to be skilled in diverse disciplines and knowledge areas and agile to dynamic change. We now offer a 100% online Bachelor of Environmental Science and Management course. Now this course is ideal for anyone who might be interested in a green career. At Charles Sturt University, we are connected with industry, and we're here to help you get your foot in the door of your dream career in environmental science and management.
It was critical to go to government bodies, to environmental groups, to industry and to community groups to get their ideas on what makes an environmental science graduate.
It's critical for new courses and universities to touch base with industry providers like ours, because if they can build that connection, there will be opportunities for placement and for future jobs.
By studying environmental science and management at Charles Sturt University, you are opening a door to a wealth of job opportunities in green careers. Whether you'd like to work in a city, in a country town, or even globally, there's a job for you. Would you like to work behind a desk? Or perhaps would you like to get out there in the field every day? Again, there's a job for you in environmental science and management.
Graduates from Charles Sturt University are really well versed in working with community and come out with an understanding of community issues and opportunities.
Charles Sturt University is the first university in Australia to become certified as carbon neutral. We have a strong commitment to the bigger picture, environment and sustainability. We're here to change the world. We put the environment, sustainability, biodiversity and conservation, and wildlife and cultural heritage at the heart of your learnings. Whether you're a policy officer, a park ranger, or even a fisheries officer, there's a whole range of careers that will help you to be a change maker and a change agent for the environmental sciences and management.